But if we also take a look at Bitcoin dominance, since many of you definitely hold altcoins, you can see that the same downward movement we saw in Tether dominance has also happened in Bitcoin dominance. We're seeing that same sharp downward move. I want to show this to you even more clearly. Yes, we're seeing that same sharp downward move. As you can see, it has broken below the 58.90 level. But the break isn't complete yet. We need to wait and see whether in the coming hours the candle closes below this level or not, and whether the next candle confirms this support or not. If it manages to hold this level, in fact, if it maintains this break, initially, if you're working on lower time frames, it's expected to reach the 57.70, 58.70 level, and if it can also consolidate at that level and move downward, it will eventually reach 58 as well. But as you can clearly see, this significant decrease in Bitcoin dominance has indeed allowed most of the prominent altcoins that are usually held in many diversified portfolios to experience a very good and substantial upward movement. For example, the USLS coin, which is a new coin, and other coins as well. For instance, if I open the 3E or 30 coin, you can see that it has started a very sharp and beautiful upward movement with a very high volume. It is predicted that if the stabilization I mentioned earlier in Bitcoin dominance continues, it could reach the 2,961 order block level. We have to see what happens in the coming hours. If the stabilization I mentioned does occur, the levels I talked about will be attainable.